Non-touring has become one of the biggest makeup trends after heavy contouring and strobing. The idea is to create non-made up, fresh and naturally glowing complexion and to enhance the facial features with subtle and soft contouring. I start the makeup routine by taking care of the skin with Lähde Intense Hydration Moisturizer. This is my personal favorite for normal and dry skin, which I also use myself daily. It absorbs to the skin really easily, so you can start to do the makeup right away. Next, I will choose the correct beauty serum shade out of 3 options for my model Nina. I chose the shade Dark since Nina's skin is tanned and it has a warm undertone. In this non-touring makeup, you can emphasize the dewiness of the skin by mixing a couple of drops of the Instant Illuminizer highlighter into the beauty serum. For Nina's makeup, I want to use the newest Instant Illuminizer shade, the subtle champagne-toned Midnight Sun. A couple of drops is enough. You can always add some more glow locally, for example over your cheekbones. I will mix my makeup base even on the back of my hand. I start by dabbing a few drops of my mix to the forehead, to the cheeks and to the center of the face. After this, I start to work the makeup base to the skin using soft and circular movements, starting from the center of the face, working outwards. All the invisible illumination products are super easy to use by fingers, but of course you can use a makeup sponge or a brush if you want. Sometimes the apples of the cheeks and the around nose area tend to turn a bit reddish during the day, so why not to add a second layer of makeup base to these areas. The texture of beauty serum is beautifully transparent, so you can build it up as much as needed. Next, it's time to do some soft contouring with the watercolor bronzer. Again, I will use the back of my hand as my palette, from which I will work my watercolor bronzer. This one I tend to apply either with Beauty Blender or with a blush brush. You can think this product as liquid see-through bronzer, which means that you'll apply it where the sun rays would naturally hit your face. The beautiful structure of your face accentuates when you softly swipe some watercolor bronzer to the temples and to be following the shape of your cheekbones. You can also swirl some warmth of the Arctic sun to the hairline. This will create a summery overall look. The tone of the watercolor bronzer is very neutral, so you can also do a gentle shaping of your nose with it. I usually use clean, soft-haired eyeshadow brush for this. You can build up the watercolor bronzer until you've reached the effect you want. It's always best to do, or at least to double-check the makeup in the natural light. You can highlight your cheekbones a bit more by swiping some Instant Illuminizer highlight over the highest point. I will finish this makeup by spritzing the face with Lähde Facial Mist. It will help the makeup to set and it also gives the skin some extra moisture. This non-touring makeup looks naturally beautiful while giving your face some soft shape and your skin a radiant glow. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to learn more. I wish you all beautiful makeup moments with Lumene.